she's here today, and she's helped me do some fun things already, spending the night. I don't know if you guys have heard of Sweet Little Cup of Rain, but that's what we're gonna do. And I found this, it was on Facebook, and I thought it was so cute, and I was like, is that a thing? It's a thing. It's a total thing. So we're gonna do our do it yourself version. Okay, so anyway, the premise between the Sweet Little Cup of Rain is that you put cotton candy underneath the coffee cup, and it gets hot, and it makes it rain. So,
it could dye the coffee due to the coloring.
I doubt it.
I think the cotton candy might be too dense.
So we're gonna see if we can see it start raining. Lighting tech, I need your help. Do we need a little bit of light there?
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, just a little bit there. Okay, now.
I think it might be too dense.
Oh no! It might be our apparatus.
Theirs looked like it was made entirely from white. Well, it was fresh. This has been in a bag, so
yeah,
it's
this
condensed.
is store-bought dollar store cotton candy.
Store-bought versus.
We're gonna try it. We'll see. The steam is coming. Oh, it's kind of blowing.
Is it?
I don't know. We'll watch it. We may have to try it a second time. We bought 3 bags of cotton candy, so it may only work with fresh done cotton candy because it's more wispy. Yeah, for a year. That's gross.
That's how it is with dollar store, though.
Doesn't look like cotton candy. It looks like dryer lint.
It's not that hot coming from her.
Is what?
That's just your coffee blazing hot?
Yeah. She just made it.
We should probably heat it more, actually.
Well, and I was thinking a fuller cup of coffee. That's what we were just doing. It looks like there's droplets coming, or am I seeing things?
You're seeing things. No, there's no droplets. You're seeing things.
It's damp. It's getting damp. The sweet little rain cloud has to work extra hard to let its sugary goodness down to the cup of goodness. Come on, little cloud, you can do it. I promise you can do it. I think the idea is that you're supposed to sit in a coffee shop, and while you're chit-chatting with your girlfriends or your date or whatever, you just let it sit there while you're chatting, and then during the course of the conversation, then you start seeing the raindrops come down. I don't think the coffee's high enough. Go start another cup.
We should go to McDonald's and get their super high, like 180-degree coffee.
Yeah, it's barely anything on there. I don't have a cotton candy maker. Oh, it got like hard. Yeah, it did. Wait, was it just cotton candy fluff coming down? I think we have to do surgery on our cloud. Our cloud needs surgery. How can we floof it up a little bit? Oh, look, see the inside.
It doesn't really poof up, it just condenses.
Try it this way. It's not quite cloud shaped anymore. But
Might work. Maybe if we just pull the layers apart.
come on, sweet little rain. Come down. Hazel, quit bumping me. Look, look, look. Right there, that piece just... He's trying. Oh, there was a raindrop. I saw it. Did you catch it?
Yes.
I saw it. Come on, that's gonna be a big raindrop. Oh, see it going? See it going? She keeps bumping the table. See, Emma needs this cup of sweet little rain. She's yawning. We gotta get the coffee higher. That's the other thing.
Yeah, it might be done.
Oh, did you see that one? I saw it. Oh, I wish I had a way to connect it better. My hand's crampy.
Is it? It gets shiny when all the moisture goes into it.
That's a cuter rain cloud than what I made. Show off.
Actually going to work though?
I don't know.
It already was.
Not enough.
Not for very long.
Yeah. That's a cute little rain cloud. I like it. Which one is it? What is it?
My favorite too.
Oh.
This one's got yellow.
Oh yeah, that one didn't have yellow.
Oh, neat. That one's yellow. Yeah, if you pull it kind of like along the way it was squished in there.
I will. Oh, that's a flaming hot cup of coffee. Come on, rain cloud. What is your deal? Oh, there it goes. That was a good one. That was a good raindrop. They also had wider mouth mugs. They had wider mouth mugs that they would put the cotton candy over because then it dripped on the side. Yeah. Oh, that raindrop totally missed the cup. Oh, this one's gonna go right here. It's trying. Oh, there it goes. There it goes.
That'd be a cool way to teach kids how clouds work, because it's pretty much the same.
Yeah, same concept. Oh, there it goes. We got some cloud action.
This is a very pretty cloud.
I like it because it's got yellow in it. I'm gonna try a cup of tea this time. Come on. Oh, I helped it. Go, go, cloud, go. It's weird that chunk right in the middle is like, no, I will not fall. Gone.
Those poor raccoons.
How much sugar do you think is in this? Oh my goodness.
It's gonna be a lot, Mom. You're gonna barf when you drink it.
I probably won't be able to drink it.
71 grams.
Oh, that's not bad.
How many servings are in there? That's bad. One serving. Oh, okay. So if you eat the whole bag, you get 71 grams.
I'm not doing the whole bag.
It's like a Starbucks coffee.
Right. Alright.
It's probably really hot.
It's actually not super sweet. I actually might add a little bit more. Oh, it's just gone in seconds. Alright, let it cool down and then I'll try drinking it. What?
No!
Since when do I not get to film you?
It would be awkward because I'm just sitting there staring at you.
Whatever.
Oh, it's so hot. It's gonna melt a hole through the table, just fall.
Oh!
Shoot.
Oh!
Sorry.
Oh!
Sorry. She touched it.
She did. It was elegant carnage. Oh, there it goes. Yeah. I'll drink it in a little bit. It's too hot to drink right now anyway. It's definitely not as pretty as the Beijing version. Beijing version is so elegant.
And their cotton candy's all white.
Yeah.
Ours is rainbow colored.
Oh, you can see it sweating. It's sweating. Cotton candy's sweating. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Come on, Rain. Sweet little Rain. It's speckling. You can a little.
You're like a little troll on the bridge. She just reached up and grabbed the cotton candy, pulled it down.
Troll. Well, isn't this fun? Watching cotton candy melt.
Slow motion, too.
Come on. Come on. Are you choking on cotton candy?
Yes.
It just does not want to go.
Oh, maybe.
Oh, that was a big one. Yeah, I got it. All right, so not nearly as pretty, but it does work. So, fresh cotton candy, a troll under the bridge, a wide mouth container of some sort, and a much better apparatus than painter's tape and coffee mugs. All right, get your face in here. Just said, get your face in here. Okay, do it again. No, I got you. Little troll. I can see some right there. Trying to. I think the tea definitely works better than the kettle. Yeah. I didn't catch any drops though. It's wonderful. That's right. What else were you gonna do today? Clean. This is way better than cleaning. I think it's a perfect way to spend spring break, right? Well, isn't this fun? Watching cotton candy melt.
In slow motion, too.
Fell down. Byron, don't jinx the sweet little Rain. It's trying. Oh, there was a raindrop. I saw it.